Alright, so today the market is behaving very well as we see the main indices materializing very solid bullish continuation structures, and many other stocks are reacting very well too. Well, except for Tesla for a change, right? Dropping more than 2% today, which we also warned about yesterday, but you may ask, okay, but what now? What to do right now? So let's see what to expect next, always keeping an eye on our main technical points. So first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader. It is a pleasure to see you guys over here. I'm the founder of the 5% project, and I invite you to join us over there if you want to improve your trading performance. So let us scan the entire market for you, seeking for the best opportunities every single day. So just join us over there. QR code right here, link in the fixed comment below. Now, as we can see here, SPY is making a decent bullish reaction, all right? Right after retesting the $533 as a support level again, all right? This key point is the most important support level. It was the previous top level over here, the previous all-time high. And by the moment SPY broke this key point, it is retesting it as a support level. 1, 2, 3, 4 times over here. This tells us that $533 is the most important key point over here. Only by losing this support level, SPY is going to technically trigger a sharper correction, a sharper pullback over here. As long as we stay above it, well, the trend will just remain very bullish. We don't need to predict what's going to happen next. We just gotta keep our eyes open to our most important technical key points. What's more, in addition to all of this, SPY triggered a bullish pivot point. It made a higher high, higher low over here right after retesting this very strong support area made by the 21 EMA on the daily chart, made by the $524, the previous top level over here, made by the bottom line of this ascending channel. So we are triggering a bullish pivot point right after retesting this insanely strong support area. All of these signals suggest that yes, SPY is supposed to continue its bullish momentum. Now, the QQQ is even stronger, suggesting that tech stocks are supposed to perform very well in the next few days. We also see the very same bullish chart structure, the bullish pivot points over here, higher highs, higher lows. We see a key support level at $460. We see the rising 21 EMA, the exponential moving average. We see another support level at $448 over here. So the QQQ is also very, very bullish. As long as we stay above $460, the trend will remain bullish. And this is going to affect our stocks as well, except for Tesla, which we're going to talk about right here, right now, because guys, Tesla is totally detached from the broad market. We see a very solid bearish reaction today right under the 21 EMA on the daily chart. What's more, we are losing many short-term support levels. We are losing yesterday's low. We are losing the low of this short-term congestion over here. So we see this as a very bad signal for Tesla. What's more, we are not making any meaningful bullish reaction. I know, at least on the bright side over here, apparently the $167, which we have been monitoring for weeks right now, is acting as a support level for us. So see why it is so important for us to understand the key points, the technical key points, because the market remembers these key points, and usually, most often than not, we see interesting reactions around our key support and resistance levels. Now, I'm not saying that Tesla is going to recover, it is going to fly from here, because in order to do that, we must see a crystal clear bullish reaction suggesting a bottom signal. So far as of today, we don't see any meaningful bullish reaction. There is no bottom signal, and in theory, if Tesla loses the 167, it is going to trigger another bearish pivot point, making a lower high, lower low, and in this scenario, we're gonna seek even lower levels like the 157 or maybe the 147, closing this gap over here, which is a quite realistic scenario for Tesla, considering that it is still very bearish on the weekly chart. we can see the 167 line over here as well. As we can see, there is a micro bearish pivot point, right under the 21 EMA on the weekly chart. This makes the situation very dangerous for Tesla. So the 167 right now, it feels like it is the last chance for Tesla to react. We gotta see Tesla making a bullish reaction as soon as possible without losing the 167 in order to at least avoid a sharper correction, a further collapse over here. Now, Nvidia looks very, very interesting because this chart over here has a crystal clear technical problem. Nvidia didn't go up roughly 62% yesterday, all right? This shadow is incorrect. Other platforms are showing the right candles over here, so it is only on TradingView. Fortunately for us, on the 1 hour chart, this error is not occurring for some reason, but we can analyze the 1 hour chart very decently over here because, as we can see, Nvidia is in a short-term congestion, all right? The 21 EMA is going up, it is still going up, it is still rising, but now we are trading around this support level. As long as we don't see any meaningful top signal, any meaningful bearish chart structure on the 1 hour chart, Nvidia will probably continue its bullish bias. So what we don't want to see Nvidia doing, losing the $115, losing the previous top level, which is supposed to act as a future support level for us. Only by losing this key point over here, Nvidia will trigger a sharper correction, possibly even losing the 21 EMA on the daily chart. So let's pay extra attention on the 115. And right now, today, apparently the market is in a such good mood because of Apple, all right? Apple is just insane, going up more than 6%, making a new record high. This candle alone is quite suggestive, all right? And it is interesting because Apple yesterday did a very ugly bearish reaction, a possible top signal, a possible bearish engulfing candlestick pattern right under this resistance level. So seeing such bullish reaction, breaking the previous all-time highs, the previous all-time high over here is quite important because now, even if Apple triggers a pullback, well, the $198 is supposed to act as a future support level for us, along with the 21 EMA, which is rising more and more. So this movement over here indicates that Apple is clearly bullish. It is supposed to maintain the bullish bias over here as long as we don't see any meaningful crystal clear bearish reversal chart structure. We see other stocks performing very well today, like Palantir, one of your favorites, all right? It is going up nicely. It is on the verge. Guys, Palantir is on the verge of closing this gap over here. We see this open gap, all right? As far as I know, we are gonna close this gap. And this one is giving us a very hard time. The 5% project is trading Palantir. I gave you guys the first signal down here. I gave you guys more signals over here. The last one was right here, June 4th, if I remember correctly, this ignition bar right above the 21 EMA. And the technical target for all of these long trades is this little gap over here. I do believe we're gonna close this gap, but after that, I don't know. Maybe if we see any possible top signal over here, well, it is gonna be a quite strong indicator that Palantir is going to correct back to the 21 EMA possibly. And since it is a bull trend, pullbacks would be nothing but buying opportunities, to me at least, alright? Of course, I will keep you guys updated on this channel, therefore consider subscribing if you're not a subscriber, click the like button, join the 5% project in order to boost your trading performance, in order to professionalize your trading. So just join us over there. QR code right here, link in the fixed comment below. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.